Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Richland County, Ashland County, Northern Morrow County, until midnight at 10:59 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles west of Savannah to Ontario to near Galleon, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Ashland, Mount Gilead, Shelby, Ontario, Lexington, Crestline, Loudonville, Belleville, Plymouth, Hayesville, Savannah, Polk, Waterford, Butler, Perrysville, Lucas, Jeromesville, Edison, and Bailey Lakes. A severe thunderstorm